Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, I'm going to show you guys how to make these Nutella peanut butter cupcakes. Now these are inspired by my love and obsession for both of these ingredients. I think I've spoken about this before. I just get a spoon and I like to put it in the Nutella first and then in the peanut butter. And so you get a spoon of Nutella and then you get that spoon and put it in the peanut butter. And then because there's Nutella on that spoon, it gets in the peanut butter. And then when you're finished eating that spoon, it gives you an excuse to go back and clean the Nutella from the peanut butter jar. So you get more peanut butter. It's the best way to eat these ingredients. So I'll put them both in a cupcake. It is kind of the same, not as good as eating them just on their own, but you know, it's a cupcake, it tastes delicious. This is how you make them. Okay guys, so this is a super simple one today. So we're gonna start off by chopping or slicing some bananas into a mixing bowl. And we're gonna use a fork or a potato masher to mash these up really roughly. Set those aside and add your flour, sugar, bicarb soda, salt, cocoa powder to a large mixing bowl and mix until all of that is really well combined. Then you're going to add your softened butter, mix that until it reaches a crumbly sand-like texture. And then you want to add your milk, eggs and mashed banana, mix that in. We're going to line our cupcake tin with some cupcake liners, scoop that batter in, filling them up about 3/4 of the way. We're going to sprinkle these with some crushed peanuts before we pop them in the oven on 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now, while those are baking, we're going to add some peanut butter to our frosting and we're going to mix that until it's really well combined. Our cupcakes baked beautifully as usual. I know you guys have withdrawals when I don't say that, but I thought it's pretty obvious when it's on screen and they look gorgeous. We're going to core the center and fill them up with some Nutella because Nutella is delicious. Then we're going to fit the end of a piping tip with a Wilton 8B piping tip and, piping bag, not piping tip. We're going to frost that in a swirl. Then we're going to use a piping bag fitted with a very small round tip and we're just going to swirl some Nutella around the frosting and then you want to finish it off with a good sprinkle of more crushed peanuts. And guys, that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so that was my Nutella peanut butter cupcake. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It feels like forever since I've made like an actual chocolate cupcake. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys try it. The rest is going to be on my website, thescranline.com. The link for that is in the box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you are watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, welcome first of all. I make 2 videos a week and hit the subscribe button so that you can keep up to date with all of the latest episodes as soon as they come out. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.